Hi everyone, today we're going to look at clever kitchen gadgets that will make your life easier and save you a lot of time, all while having fun. Our first gadget is the Chopcup vegetable chopper, a multifunctional chopper that makes prepping your vegetables faster and easier. No more endless chopping by hand. This compact yet powerful tool comes with sharp blades that can dice, slice, and chop everything from onions to potatoes and bell peppers in seconds. Just place your veggies inside, press down, and you're good to go, making meal prep quick and hassle-free. Next, we have the Joseph Drawer Knife Organizer, which is perfect for keeping your kitchen knives neatly stored in your drawers clutter-free. It features two-tiered compartments that can hold a variety of knives securely and safely. The wave-shaped slots keep blades sharp and separate, while the soft touch liner prevents them from moving around. This smart organizer fits neatly inside standard drawers and maximizes space, making it a must-have for small kitchens or anyone looking to declutter. Tired of losing small jars and bottles in the back of your fridge? The Joseph Fridge Rotating Shelf is here to save the day. This 360-degree rotating shelf is designed to fit inside your fridge and provide easy access to all your condiments, jars, and small food containers. It's an excellent solution for maximizing fridge space by keeping everything visible and within reach. Every kitchen needs a reliable grater, and this four-sided grater is a classic tool with a modern touch. Each of its four sides serves a different purpose: coarse shredding for cheese, fine grating for zesting citrus, slicing for cucumbers, and an ultra-fine side for spices like nutmeg. Made from stainless steel, it's built to last and features a sturdy handle for a firm grip. Plus, the non-slip base keeps it steady on any surface, so you can grate confidently without worrying about slips or messes. For small slicing tasks, the Joseph 3-piece mini food prep set is a game-changer. It comes with 3 stainless steel wire slicers, a wedge cutter, thick slicer, and thin slicer. It's perfect for slicing boiled eggs, soft fruits, and even mushrooms, effortlessly, and its compact, space-saving design makes it easy to store. Protect your countertops from hot cookware with the stainless steel expandable trivet. This gadget is both functional and stylish, featuring an expandable design that adjusts to fit various pot and pan sizes. Made from durable stainless steel, it can withstand high temperatures and won't scratch surfaces. When not in use, it folds up neatly, saving valuable drawer space. Say goodbye to struggling with frozen ice cream. The Joseph Ice Cream Scoop features a sharp-edged scoop that easily cuts through even the hardest ice cream. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, and the built-in trigger mechanism smoothly releases each scoop. Made from sturdy stainless steel, this tool is durable and easy to clean. The WonderChef Handcrank chopper is a fantastic tool for quick and easy chopping, especially for those who want to avoid electric gadgets. Simply load your ingredients, crank the handle, and watch the sharp blades chop through fruits, vegetables, and even nuts. Its transparent bowl lets you see the progress, and the non-slip base keeps it stable on your countertop. It's perfect for making salsa, dips, and prepping veggies for your meals without the noise or hassle of electric choppers. Maximize your drying space with the Joseph Dish Drainer Rack. Its large capacity and compact design provide ample draining space without taking over the sink. The two-tier rack features a wine glass rail and drip tray for safely drying delicate glassware. Made from durable stainless steel with a fingerprint-proof coating, it includes a draining spout, movable cutlery drainer, and non-scratch wine glass holder for up to 4 glasses. The fast-draining design with raised ribs prevents water from getting trapped under dishes. Opening stubborn jars has never been easier thanks to the stainless steel spiral gear jar opener. This tool features a unique spiral gear mechanism and an ABS rotating handle, providing excellent leverage to effortlessly twist off tight lids. Ideal for people with limited hand strength or arthritis, this jar opener is designed to be both practical and safe. It's compatible with jars of all sizes, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Make pizza night even better with the classic pizza wheel. Its sharp stainless steel blade glides through thickest pizza crusts, quesadillas, and flatbreads with ease, ensuring clean, even slices every time. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or just love homemade flatbreads, this tool is a must-have. Boiling eggs? The egg tongs are here to make your life easier. These heat-resistant tongs are designed specifically for handling hot eggs, allowing you to lift them safely out of boiling water without burning your fingers. Whether you're making soft-boiled, hard-boiled, or poached eggs, these tongs provide a secure grip and are compact enough to store easily. The folding food scooper is a versatile tool that simplifies transferring chopped ingredients from the cutting board to the pan. Its foldable design makes it compact for storage, while the wide surface area can hold a generous amount of food at once. It's perfect for both professional chefs and home cooks looking to streamline their food prep. Next up, we have the dip clip bowls. These handy little bowls clip onto the edge of your plates, making them perfect for holding sauces, dips, and dressings. No more squeezing ketchup or ranch onto the side of your plate. These clip-on bowls keep everything tidy and organized, allowing you to enjoy your meal mess-free. They're great for portion control, serving appetizers, or even as a cute addition to snack boards. Precision is key in cooking and baking, and the KitchenAid digital kitchen scale delivers just that. This sleek, compact scale offers accurate measurements down to the gram, making it perfect for portioning ingredients or monitoring your food intake. The clear digital display is easy to read, and its compact size allows for easy storage in kitchen drawers. The Fullstar 4-in-1 vegetable chopper is the ultimate time saver in the kitchen. This multifunctional tool allows you to chop, slice, dice, and spiralize vegetables with just one gadget. Equipped with interchangeable blades, it's perfect for prepping a variety of fruits and veggies quickly and efficiently. The chopper's compact design and easy-to-clean components make it ideal for small kitchens or anyone who loves meal prepping. Save time and effort while creating perfect cuts every time. For all the baking enthusiasts out there, the cookies press gun is a must-have for your kitchen. This tool allows you to create perfectly shaped cookies with minimal effort, thanks to its easy-to-use press design and a variety of interchangeable discs. Simply fill the barrel with dough, choose your preferred disc shape, and press away. It's great for festive occasions or anytime you want to bake cookies that look as good as they taste. Made from durable stainless steel and food-grade plastic, it's a fun and practical gadget for any baker. Meet the multifunctional Whisk with built-in spatula, a clever kitchen tool that combines two essentials in one. Use the whisk end to beat eggs or mix batter, then flip it over to the spatula side for scraping down bowls or folding ingredients together. This innovative design reduces the need for multiple utensils, keeping your kitchen drawer clutter-free. Finally, we have the Tescoma Handy Garlic Press, a gadget that makes mincing garlic a breeze. Unlike traditional garlic presses, it features a unique screw mechanism. Just place the garlic into a chamber and twist the handle to press the clove through small holes. This design requires less force and ensures a higher yield of garlic paste. Made from durable materials, it is easy to use, clean, and ideal for adding fresh garlic to your dishes without hassle. No more smelly hands or tedious chopping. This garlic press is a true kitchen essential. And that wraps up our list of 20 Amazon kitchen gadgets you'll absolutely love in 2024. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try.